Bear Bryant and Little Bear Bryant. What are you guys doing? What you guys building? Oh.
That's broken.
Oh. Caroline.
I got this one.
I thought you were helping build the fort. So you're like a nature man. You could have your own YouTube nature show, huh, Felix? Nature boy?
Dagger for killing.
Oh boy. What are you gonna kill? A squirrel? Animals.
Look at it.
Wow. Alright. Nature boy.
This is my hammer.
Is it real or is it fake?
It's real.
Fake, fake, fake.
Look. It can't break like this.
What's Nature Girl doing? Oh, well, gentle. Okay. That ends episode 1 of Nature Boy and Nature Girl.
I'm shaking the tree's head though.
All right. Last piece.